Good afternoon. My name is Nakao Kebi from Computer Science Makerere University, and I'm going to take you through the implementations in this code. This code is meant to implement prototypes, as we're going to see. So first of all, of course, we start by the standard input-output, declaring these directives that help us to use some functions in C. Here we're working with still the linked lists, and the best way to represent linked lists is to use a structure. So like you can see here, we are going to take in a return type as int, and we're going to be using numbers. Then we first of all declare a structure node, and a pointer that points to the next node. A node contains data and also contains the address of the next new node or node that is created. Then here in the function to create a new node, we are allocating memory to our structure. To the node we are creating, we are allocating memory. So we are using the malloc function, and just in case the memory is not enough, we receive this message. And this malloc function will return null because the node is initially empty. So then after we allocate, this shows that the new node will also be including the next address of the new node, of another node. Then functions to print linked list. This one is going to help us print our list. So whichever data we feed in, it shall be printed in a list by our print list function. It doesn't take in any return type. And then our next function, which is to add a node at the end of the list. All these functions are like this code is implementing these prototypes. So in this append, it will add data or whatever is fed at the end of the list. And then the prepend function will add the data at the beginning of the list we had created. We're using pointers in all cases. And we're using 2 pointers at the head because this data might the pointer might be pointing another might be pointing to the previous node, since since a node can be empty, then the other function is to delete a node by key. So here we shall be deleting any node in the any node, but using the key. Then here we delete the node by value, so the value will be fed. Then the next function will insert a node after a specific key. And then, in case any key is not found, receive that particular message, same as delete. So this other prototype, this implementation will insert a node after a specified value. Here we iterate in the list, even for the delete, because it's either after a value or a key. Then we come to the main function. In the main function, we're going to re-implement the prototypes we've implemented above, but using the switch. So we print all these, because these are the choices the user is going to be using. So we also declare the switch, of course, with choice, which takes in choice. Then we go on looking at each case. Case one prints the list that we created, that actually the list that is linked. Then case two prints the data that is added at the end of the list. Then case three prints data that is added at the beginning. Then case four prints data that is deleted by key. This is like this, this command is what the user sees, and then puts in the relevant data. So case four deletes by key, case five deletes by value. Then case six, we insert a key. We insert a value, we insert data after a certain key. Then case seven, we insert data after a certain value. And case 18, we exit the list. So if someone puts in an invalid choice, they will receive this message. Of course, we return 0 to complete our code. So let's try running the code. We try to use So when we run the code in a terminal, so the terminal will display the choices, the questions, so that the user can enter his or her choice. So the user maybe can decide to use maybe to append something to a list. So the user will choose a tool. Then they ask enter data to append. What data to append? Let me say I want to enter 14. Then let me say also user wants to maybe to add a certain value, certain data on at the beginning. That user will choose it. And then we'll be asked what data to prepend. Maybe let me say 11. Maybe also the user wants to insert. Let's say after a certain value, maybe after that 11, you want to add, so we shall choose option 7. Then you asked after which value to insert. So you say 11 because I want it after 11. Then I'm asked to enter a new value to insert. Let me say 5. So I want to print the list and see what I've done. I'll choose option 1. And then that is the list I've printed. Because I inserted a 5 after 3, so that's my list that is linked. Then if the user wants to exit that list, so we'll just say 8, option 8, and then we'll have exited. So probably that is how the code works. Thank you.